Hi guys, it's Sina here. Welcome to another waist training video. Today I want to talk about sizing. Sizing is very important, and getting the right size of waist trainer will help with having a very comfortable and successful journey in waist training. So I always tell my clients or people who inquire about our products that they have to really check their size, their correct sizes, or at least go to the size chart page on our website. Measuring yourself properly, getting the correct size is very important. So it's not the same as your shirt size or your underwear, your undergarment sizes. You can't just say that because you're wearing let's say a size small or medium with your shirt, it's gonna be the same with a waist trainer. So it's you really have to measure yourself. So all you need to do is just get a measuring tape. So there are 4 points that you need to get, 4 measurements. First is, of course, your waist. Your waist is gonna be the smallest part of your torso. So the smallest part. That's gonna be, you just measure it. You need to sort of breathe in and then breathe out and then measure. The second would be the underbust, which is of course under your breast, under your chest. Measure again. We use the inches side, not the centimeter, so yeah, just measure it in inches here. Not too tight, just right. And the third would be the hips, which is just below. So this is my belly button. Just below your belly button, that's gonna be your hips. And then torso is also very important. Torso is under your breast up to your pelvic bone. So when you measure your torso, just measure it vertically like so. So this is my hip bone here. I'm around 10.5, which is the regular size, regular length. So those are the four measurements that you have to take. 3 measurements out of those 4 that you sort of need to follow in case you are in between, sizes. The waist is very important. The torso length is also very important because there are women who have shorter torso lengths, there are those who have longer, and there are those who have regular. Our most popular and bestseller waist trainer, which is the Curves Waist Cincher. It's just a regular length waist trainer. So if your torso length is a bit short, then it may not be that comfortable because the boning is going to either push up on your breast or down your pelvic area. So you may feel uncomfortable. If you are taller and you have a longer torso length, then our regular waist cinchers may not cover most of your torso. So those belly push or those areas that you want covered may not reach those areas because the waist cincher that we have, the Curves Waist Cinchers that we have, are just the regular sized waist cinchers, the regular torso length sizes. Those 2, waist and the torso, you have to take those 2 into consideration, and also the hips. It's actually the waist and the hips that you look at first when you're measuring or checking your size. So once that you've taken all your sizes, I suggest that you go to our website, www.curves.ph. Go to our website and check our size chart page. The size charts on our website are guides for you. They are more or less accurate. You still need help with sizing. Just email us with your measurement, or you can also send a picture of your body. You don't have to include your face, just your torso, the body part, and then your sizes, and then we can help you with choosing the correct size for you with the garment that you want, because the different garments that we have different sizes. You could be a large in the Curves Waist Cincher garment, but you could be an XL when it comes to the Bodylicious Curves Waist Cincher. So different sizes for the different garments. Again, if you are not sure, if you need more help with sizing, just email us. Under the size page, there's a contact form. Fill it up with your details, send it to us, and we're gonna get right back to you with our recommended size for you. So if you are in between sizes, you have to look at which size are you nearer. So when you compare it to your measurements. So for example, if you are in between large and XL, first you check it with your measurements where you are nearer to large or XL. And then secondly is you have to take into consideration if it's your first time wearing it, how comfortable are you with a constricting garment around you, how comfortable are you wearing one. So if you think that you're not that ready and you want to take it easy, then you choose the bigger size. If you think that you can do it, and if you've already tried wearing these types of body shapers before, then you can go for a smaller size. It's your first time wearing this new garment, it's really gonna be hard to put on first. Sometimes you even need help from your friends, especially if you don't have that much arm muscle. So yeah, you're really gonna need help from another person to put on the waist trainer for the first time for a few days until your body kind of shapes into the garment and it becomes easier in time. So yeah, you have to remember it is really hard to put on at first. It doesn't mean that you have the wrong size. And then don't forget that if you need help with sizing, email us. We will get back to you. We'll help you and get the correct size for you, because we want you to have a very comfortable waist training journey. If it's the wrong size, it's either you're gonna be discouraged to continue or you're gonna be uncomfortable to continue with your waist training. So yeah, sizing is really important. Yeah, I hope you find this video helpful, and please do subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about waist training. Yeah, follow us on Facebook. We're gonna put all the links down in the description box below. Yeah, like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you get notified of my next videos. I will try to put up new videos as much as I can. But yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!